Hello, everybody, and welcome to Bob Talks Tech. But this week, it's not Bob Talks Tech, it's Bob Builds Tech. Oh my goodness, can you see this monstrosity of a motherboard? Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud and so honored to be privileged to be instrumental in the build of this super epic, state of the art, to the limits personal computer build for John. John was a visitor on my video a few videos back. He came and did some modifications on the computer that he has right now, and he's so excited about my channel and the things we've done together. He was ready to upgrade. He purchased absolutely the best of the best of the best, and he has asked me to share this experience with you guys, my followers, my new subscribers, and anybody that just happens to see this video of the build of this epic computer. Guys, some of this has already started. I've done just a few little things, but I wanted to show you a few things before I unbox them. This is a quick little preview, and please subscribe if you want to see rest. I'm doing some of the recording offline. I'm not doing it as far as my live stream as I'm used to, because I want to be able to do some edits, cut out some of the boring stuff, show you the epic, neat, cool, neat stuff, and make it look like I know exactly what I'm doing. Which I do, of course. But to be perfectly honest, peoples, I have never dealt with tech this exciting, this state-of-the-art, and this edgy. I've not built an AM5 system, and I've built a lot of other computers, but I'm so excited. I have a lot of learning to do. I'm going to do some research as I start to build this, and I'll put some things together. But I wanted to come out and say hi to everybody. Thanks for your being here, seeing the videos, and get you excited for something upcoming that's going to be a lot of fun for both me, and I hope for you as well, too. Obviously, this is such an awesome, this is the ASRock H670E Tai Chi Ryzen AM5 board. And this thing is a beast. It's even got a preview window. Dun, dun, dun. I'm not going to unbox it right now. I do have some things to learn about this board. I want to make sure that I know exactly what I'm getting into. I'm going to review some information about the board, maybe watch some videos, and I want to bring to you the details of the build as we go, and as much video footage and coverage as it can be. But guys, this would not be an epic build with just this motherboard. No, you say, Robert, how else could it be an epic build? Well, if you're going to go all the way, why not throw one of these in? Yes. My goodness, guys, AMD Ryzen 7000 series 7950 X3D Ryzen 9, coming soon to a build near you. Guys, this is it. I mean, this is the processor that's going to do miracles in this system. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy that at someday I hope to build this system or something similar for myself. But I'm very happy with my computer now. But like I said, I'm very proud to be able to participate in this build with John, to help him put it together and to be able to bring it to you guys too. I've had a lot of new followers, a lot of new subscribers. There's been people join the Discord, absolutely having a wonderful time. I see information and new stuff there. I get a few criticism comments, and that's awesome because I'm learning. I never said anything about being a master computer builder. It's a passion I have. It's something I love to do. And when I started this channel, it was an opportunity to say, hey guys, you can do this yourself. I'm no genius. I'm a normal person. You can do it too, but at least try. Get yourself involved in the process and learn some things and go from there. So I won't go into that right now. I just wanted to show you a few things that are going to be a part of this build. We also have Trident Z5 RGB DDR5, and I believe this is a whole bunch kit. I'm not sure how much a whole bunch is. I believe 32 gigabyte time to, this is 64 gigabytes of RAM, peoples. 64 gigabytes. I mean, he had a passion just like me. He said, let's do this thing. I said, yeah, let's do this thing. I'm excited. You're excited. I can tell it. I can feel it. I just know from watching you see this video. I mean, I'm not really there. I can't really see you, but I know you're there. And you're like, Robert, gosh, be careful. you better guarantee I'm going to be white gloving this whole build. I am not getting one fingerprint on this whole thing. But I know what you're saying. But Robert, awesome motherboard, whoop whoop, awesome CPU, wonderful RAM. It's gonna glow lighty and make really pretty colors. But what's to top it all off? Well, for every cake, there is an icing. And guys, I don't know if you can tell this, but I like cake. Yeah, I know, you can tell. I'm just saying that. It's a figure of speech. But it's true. I mean, in reality, it's true too. But my favorite part of cake is the icing. Guys, this thing will have the most icing of any build anywhere in the entire world. Well, maybe not. I mean, there's some really awesome systems out there. But if you're going to go big or go home, where are we going? Oh, I need some help. I got it. Hang on. I'm going big. Here we go. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Oh, I did not slam that down. Guys, Republic of Gaming Strix Gaming 4090 OC, 24 gigabytes of RAM on the graphics card, the beast, the 4090 RTX GeForce. I cannot wait to get this out of the box. This thing weighs a ton. I'm not kidding. This is, if you were going to put icing on a cake and put this much icing, you'd get diabetes right away. Or maybe, I guess. But you'd definitely need a tub and a bath and a shower and a hose. But guys, this is the cream de la cream of computer builds. And it's just absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about putting this thing together. And I'm excited about bringing it to you to show you the process. It's not going to be, I'm not going to go through all the specifications and technicals. You guys, if you're passionate about your computer parts too, you can go and read these up. You can see videos, you can see unboxing and reviews and that kind of thing. I'm going to do a collage of build parts and put the thing together because just like you, I want to see the finished product. I want to see it boot up. I want to see the screen for the first time. And I want to have that success and I want to share it with you guys. A few other things. This is all going to be built in a Phanteks NV9. I believe it's an NV9 case, which is just, wow. It took me 30 minutes to take the thing apart empty. And I put a few fans in it already. We've got a Corsair H1000i fully modular power supply. We've got 2 kits so far of these Phanteks D30-140s, which these are actually pretty good price. But these are modular fans. They connect together. They clip together electronically. The supply, the RGB lighting, and the power goes through each one, and you can source power the first one. We've put 3 of these in a row and supplied power on one end, and so they clamp together and they become a one piece, and that's really convenient if you're actually using the limited power. Well, not that we have limited power or controls on this, but if you're using a radiator, is what I meant to say. Having the fans that are modular, that they go together and can be mounted to your radiator and cooling system. This is not going to be a water-cooled system, but we do have a very awesome air cooler for the CPU. We want the best for the best. But as far as storage, it looks like we have so far I was pretty excited about this because I didn't even know it existed, but here's a T500 Crucial 2 terabyte NVMe solid state drive. That one's pretty awesome. But for gaming, John wanted to have his games loaded on the fastest he could get. So we have the T705 1 terabyte drive at 13,600 millibits per second transfer speed. 13,000. I only have ever heard of about 73 or 400. This is 13,600 megabytes per second. So I don't know. Like I said, I've got some learning curve to do on this. Obviously I know what the parts are, but one last thing that we have that I can show you. I mean, power supply's over there too, but it's not that fancy. Here's the CPU cooler, Deep Cool. What is this? So in case you want to look it up, the wide CPU cooler with a status display. So he's got LED status, shows the temperature, and this is Deep Cool AK500 BK, I think is the model number, as far as I can tell. But guys, huge CPU cooler. That's going to move some move some air. Pardon me. I'm excited. I can't speak right. But along with the 3 packs of the Fantex fans, we have 6 more fans coming. 3 for the front and 3 for the side panel. It's going to vent the air in, and then we've got upper and back fans that are going to vent the air out. I think there's, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10. There's going to be 12 fans in this build when we're done. That's exciting. That's a lot of airflow, and with that kind of fan, you can, you don't have to run full speed. It's going to be quiet as well. So there's a preview of what we've got in store. I'm getting very excited to get some filming done for some of these parts put together. Please come back and see me. Like I said, this is just going to be a short little video to let you know what's coming, kind of like a preview to a build store near you. Can anybody do that movie theme? Coming soon to a theater near you. Well, it's not really a theater. Tech Build Studio. Coming soon to a tech build center near you. Come see Bob build the most epic, most massive. The case on this thing weighs 60 pounds? Well, now you do. 60 pounds empty. This thing, I'm not even going to get into it. I'm going to put it on a scale when we're done. It's going to be massive. Guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to the video. Come back and see bits and pieces as I can put them together. I'm going to try to do some editing and make a decent presentation other than just going live, because I know if I start putting this together on a live stream, mistakes will be made, and I want to make sure to bring you the best production I can on this. But also, I don't want to be under the pressure of saying, of doing a thing right here in real time and knowing that you're watching and disappoint you. I do want to do my best to do the research and the things I need to do to make sure that I can make this an epic build without a flaw. I'm not concerned about it at all. I know I have some amazing resources on my Discord. There's a couple guys on there that are absolutely astonishing. The knowledge and the understanding that they know, the things that they have inspired me to get into. I've got other projects that are waiting to do, but this kind of came up all of a sudden. Guys, join the Discord. I'll try to get a link to that here. Sometimes the Discord link works. I'm supposed to have one that works all the time and shouldn't expire, but I'll make sure it gets put on this video. And check that out. Please come and join the Discord. Get some great fellowship and some computer talk, and share your builds yourself. And I'm always open for advice. Please leave some comments in the video. I see every one of them. I don't have so many followers that I can't respond to everyone, and I depend on you guys' feedback to let me know what's better than what I know, and together we'll learn and we'll do these things together. And that's the community. This is all about the community, and I'm glad you're here. Thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap this up right now. Get back with us. Watch for more videos coming soon. And thank you, and enjoy the build, and look forward to seeing you again.